Today, we introducing OEM Rotronic Transmitter Series XB32A. Let us start with the unboxing of the transmitter first. So viewers, as we can see, the transmitter box contains the device itself. Next we can see the manual and the test certificate which is offered by Rotronics itself. So viewers, in general, the XB32A OEM transmitter consists of a cable probe and PCB without housing. But, we offer this transmitter by mounting the PCB circuit to the PVC enclosure in order to make the transmitter ready to use when arrived to the end user. Thanks to its compact size, high accuracy and various selection possibilities, the transmitter can be adapted to customer wishes and used practically everywhere. The major benefits of using this transmitters is as follows. 1. It can measure various values like temperature, humidity, and dew point. 2. In this transmitter, absolute repeatability is guaranteed. 3. Lastly, this transmitters have various freely programmable and scalable analog outputs like 0 to 1 volts, 0 to 5 volts, 0 to 10 volts, 0 to 20 mA, and 4 to 20 mA. Now, let us understand some specifications that are offered in XB32A transmitters. The major specifications that are offered in XB32A are as follows. 1. The humidity sensor offered in this transmitter is Rotronic HYGROMER HT-1. This particular sensor element offers a high accuracy and long-term reliability. 2. The temperature sensor used in XB32A is PT100 Class 3. 3. The accuracy that is offered in XB32A is 1% RH for the humidity and 0.2 K for the temperature. 4. The XB32A can offer measurement range of -100°C to 200°C for the temperature and 0 to 100% RH for humidity. 4. As we discussed earlier, the output signal is available in variety of ranges like 0 to 1 volts, 0 to 5 volts, 0 to 10 volts, 0 to 20 mA, and 4 to 20 mA. 5. The power supply that can be given to the transmitter can be 15 to 40 volts DC supply or 12 to 28 volts AC supply. 6. If we see the audit trails and electronic records, then the transmitter is FDA 21 CFR compliant and GAMP compliant also. 7. Lastly, the sensor is IP65 protected so it can be used in different environments. So this was about some major specifications offered in XB32A. As we saw earlier, this XB32A transmitters can be made available with variety of probe selections and filter selection for the probes as per the requirement of user. Due to this feature, this transmitter XB32A can be used almost everywhere. Some common applications include 1. Pharmaceuticals, ensuring controlled environments for production and storage. 2. Food and beverage, monitoring conditions to maintain product quality and safety. 3. Healthcare, controlling environmental factors in hospitals and laboratories. 4. Biotechnology, maintaining precise conditions for research and production. 5. Warehousing, monitoring storage conditions for sensitive goods. 6. Museums and archives, preserving artifacts and documents by controlling humidity and temperature. So this was all about the Rotronic OEM Transmitter XB32A. Hope you liked the video and thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product overviews and tech tips. See you next time.